Backtesting July 20 to July 29. I guess I didn't finish this week when I ended. So I'm bullish. We got this hourly for value gap down here. Yes, it's currently inside of this hourly. Drawing liquidity is gonna be these highs up here. Price didn't come back at anything. Wait a little bit. Pump up, kind of 5 minute here. So if we can get a pull back into that 5 minute target London high, potentially something I could take. Alright, took out London high. Ooh, that's a 30-second inverse. Let's see, okay, we're coming off the 15 minute for value gap here. Got this 5 minute. Where's London high? Okay, so we got SFT at London high, rejecting this 15 minute for value gap. We got this resweep of the high, which also gives us another SMT, and then no 1 minute, so it'd be a 30-second inverse. Looks something like this. TP would be 1R here. This unfilled 5 minute. Break even there. TP hit for 1R. So I'm still bullish, but based off the reaction that we got, based off the reaction we got and the confluences behind it and the inversion, I can see price coming down here before we push higher. It's 954. We still have this buy side up here. So I actually do think we could get another setup for that. See if we can get a inverse of some sort. Okay, we inverse the 5 minute here. We have no 15 minute. We're coming off this high, so it's pretty high resistance. 2 minutes until this 5 minute opens up. So we got a 5 minute for value gap here now. So let's see, potentially we could short to these lows. Actually, I might just skip this day because I already caught a dub. Yeah, still not coming off of anything. No 15 minute, no hourly. Invest just hourly. So if we create a 5 minute condition here, then we could definitely get along. Be a 1 minute inverse. Right here. There's no 2 minute. Is there a 30-second? No 30-second. Don't really like the R&R on this. I'm gonna take it though, but my break even is gonna be This high right here. Let's break even there. And this is gonna be a 1R that I'm targeting. Okay, 1R. The only reason I didn't like this setup, well, I thought I didn't like it, is because of how close we were to break even and how wide the stop was compared to the TP. But the break even spot was actually not too bad. It was not too bad. Let's be a 1 minute inverse. 30-second inverse here. So sweep with London high. Sweep intermediate term high within the 15-minute gap. SFT with London high. Internal SFT. 30-second inversion. Targeting the unfilled 5 minute. And then this one. Create a 5 minute for value gap. Still bullish. Take this 1 minute inverse. Break even at this high right here. Since ES was close to the high. Was this high. So yeah. 2 dubs. Go to next day. Got this buy side here. Got this buy side here. Coming off these highs, we have all this low resistance liquidity down here. Let's see if we can get a short. So if this is gonna be a pullback, we have nowhere to pull back into. Yeah, didn't pull back into anything significant. So my draw is gonna be these lows here. But we're gonna have an S&T soon with London low. So we'll see. So now we do have an S&T there. And we just got this pretty clean inversion. Coming off, if anything. Okay, we're technically coming off this intermediate term low, which is within that 30-second for value gap, or 30 minute for value gap. And we got SFT here. It's a pretty nice inversion. So this would be the trade. Break even will be here. Still holding this hourly for value gap. Yeah, pretty solid setup. Let's see. Break even. Some choppy price action. Go ahead, break even there. Honestly, could have gone for that unfilled 5 minute, or could have partialed there or something. Yeah, that was 1R. That's cool. Probably get a resweep London low maybe, and then continue higher. So 10-15. So we did get that resweep right there. London low would be this would be London low here. So if ES or NQ could take out London low, pretty fire. 1022. Alright, so this will be a 4 minute? No, 3 minute. 4 minute. 4 minute inverse. Alright, so it'll be 4 minute inverse. SMT right there. Tapping into this 4 hour right here. Let me get this 4 minute inversion. Just gonna go for that internal high. Break even's gonna be right here. Ooh, it's a 5 minute inverse too. Ooh, it's a little bit late into the session. It is a little late into the session, so honestly, I'd probably just go for 1 hour if I was gonna take this trade. 1 hour to until 5 minute. Alright. Hit 1 hour there, and it's 10:59, so that's perfect. Targeting the unfilled 5 minute. So this was a 5 minute inversion. First trade I took was a, what was it, 1 minute? It was a really nice 1 minute inverse. Break even here. Take profit. There's unfilled 5 here. And then the overall buy side, I was targeting the buy side. Got hit break even. And then we got to resweep these lows. Ended up taking out London low, the sell side down here. Tapped this 4 hour. Had an SMT with this low down here. Then we got a 5 minute inverse. Targeting the unfilled 5 minute. Perfect timing. We do end up going higher. See if we get the buy side. We do get the buy side. It's pretty fire. Go to next day. Pretty bullish to these highs here. It's Friday. Got PMI at 945. Don't really like price action. We have this low right here that we could go towards. We have this high. So we got SMT at the high. We took the low out. Ooh. 936. Coming off this 15 minutes. So if we create a 5 minute condition. If we get a 5 minute condition, then potentially take a long. So I got this 5 minute here. $9.46. I'm gonna fade this one. We did get an inverse, but I don't like the inversion itself. Hit TP. The next buy side low will be here. Um, Not really with anything other than taking that intermediate term high within the hourly, I think hourly for value or 15-minute for value. Yep. So I could see us going down to this low. But I'm gonna sit on my hands. I'm not gonna take anything for right now. Okay, we consolidate for the rest of the session. Yeah, I didn't like anything this day. Don't like the key level that we hit. Don't like how much we rejected off of this. Don't like how we created two 5-minute for value gaps here. Yeah. All right. Just gonna go a little bit faster. Still got another week. Still got another week to do. No news. Consumer confidence. FOMC. PPI. Advanced GDP. Okay. See what happens here. Could come for London low. All right. Took out London low. Still not bullish right now. Still not bullish. Still think we can move lower. Get this 5-minute here. This will be a 4-minute inverse to the downside. Ooh. Got this 15-minute intermediate term high within the gap. Still got sell side down here. I do want to see that, but this price action is kind of chopped. It's Monday, no news, so see what we get. If we could see this low, we could get a long. $10.40. No, we're within this 15-minute. Jeez, 1.7. Super not sell side. Still within the 4-hour gap. Not much on the hourly. Yeah. Don't really like this. The inversion took too long. It took about 20 minutes. And we're within this 15-minute for value gap. And the session's almost done, so no point in risking it. Yeah, it's 11. And this unfilled 4-hour. All this lowers this liquidity on ES. I accidentally played a whole 9:30 or till 9:45. just took this out. We just got a resweep. We're inside of this 15 minute here. And this hourly. And the 4 hour. We're gonna be bullish. Wouldn't want to see price come any lower. It's gonna need to be a 2 minute inverse to the upside. Ooh, perfect. It's gonna be a 2 minute here, targeting. Is that 930? 930 high. Oh, that's nice. Gotta go break even here though. Check this out again. Coming off this 4 hour nicely. Also coming off this hourly, so this liquidity. Got SFT at the lows. This low down here. Yes, is also taking liquidity. If 2 minute, right? Yeah, 2 minute. 3 minute. 2 minute. 2 minute inverse. These right here. Could get break even here. Let's break even. Yeah, I got hit break even. If we could get a resweep, we could still get along. If we get a clean inverse to the upside, which would be a 4 minute, potentially a 5 minute. Would be a 5 minute. $10.25. Probably not gonna take anything this day. At 10 a.m. news. Yeah. Respect to this 15 minute. Was that 15? I don't remember if that 15 minute was there when I took this setup. Yeah, there's some choppy price action. 10:52 go next day. It's Wednesday. Equal lows there. Got this intermediate term high as a draw. An overall London high. We get an open low into this fair value gap. And then, yeah. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. Is that 4 hour? Okay, it's a 4 hour. Really missed it. We are displacing though. So if we get a resweep into this low and then ES comes down here, takes out that low, that'd be pretty far. Or not. Just pump. Oh no, we're good. We're chilling. So we could get a 30-second here. Why did it skip that many candles? Alright. Bro, why is it bugging like that? Alright. Okay. Holding this 15-minute for value gap. Draw hasn't been hit. We created equal highs or relative equal highs. This 5 minutes still holding. And then we get that resweep at the lows, which gives us an SMT. And then we get this pretty clean 30-second inverse. Stop would be at the low, to be honest. Make it a little tighter. Just because of that volatility. Wouldn't want to see past this low here, so if we even come to stop me out, could assume that we're just going to come down to here. Oh, 1R. Maybe let's break even. Let's break even. Actually, no. I think we can still pump higher, even though we got SMT here. We got SMT. Did we get SMT at the low? We didn't get SMT at the lows. Could be making a mistake. I'm gonna just trail it a little bit. Trail it up here. Nah, this is gonna go higher. I still think this is gonna go higher. Yeah, nice. Yeah. So I wouldn't risk. It's just super bullish based off the reaction that we got off the 15-minute for value gap and the 5-minute for value gap, and the draw is super clear for both assets. And the inversion was super volatile. This candle was pretty bullish with the wick. Pretty solid setup. So open low, 15-minute gap, 30-second inverse, and then high up to the buy side. Pretty bullish. It's Thursday. We got 8:30 news. See if we get some good price action. We're inside of this gap here. We're inside of this gap as well. See what price wants to do. Oh my god, no. Did not mean to play a whole 15-minute candle again. I don't know, I don't even know if I missed something. Came off the 15-minute. Actually, might have missed something. Is that a 1-minute inverse? No idea if that would have been a trade that I would take at 9:33. Am I bullish at this moment though? I would be more bullish. Still created relative highs. We can still move higher. See what price wants to do. So we check out these lows already. Maybe a resweep and then get an inversion. And then we have a 5-minute here. So we could target this 5-minute. So exactly like I said, we get that resweep. We get that inversion. Super volatile inversion. Stop here is going to go at the C of the wick. Just a little bit below it. And go for 1R. 5 minutes going to be right here. Still within this gap. Still within that gap, yeah. I bet. Break even at the 5 minute for value gap. Break even here. No way. Wow. That's tough. Almost hit 1R. Hit that 5 minute for value gap. If my stop was at CE, pretty much would have been 1R. Yeah, would have hit 1R. So good. If we get a resweep, we could still get a long, maybe it's 1016. Depends on the volatility. 1025. 2 minute. Okay, we got this super tiny 1 minute right here. I don't like this price action. Probably not going to trade for the rest of this session. It's 10:33. I'm gonna fade this one. Session as a whole. 10:46. Ended up pumping up. But no clean inversion anywhere here for me. There was this 2 minute here. But this overall price leg, just not it. Sideways from 9:46 to 10:34. Almost a whole hour of moving sideways. Same on the 1 minute. It's the only trade I would have taken right here. Alright. Final day. Mute. Coming off this gap up here. So we have this 4 hour gap here. Taking out liquidity here. So you can see price rebalancing to this 4 hour. Let's see. So Friday, PPI, 8:30 news. See what we get. So get a dump. Get 2 minute inverse. Coming off this 15 minute intermediate term low. Do we have SMT? Do have an SMT with this low. You have a 5 minute. We're inside of this huge 5 minute. Get that 2 minute inverse. We have a 15 minute. We just have all these highs up here that we could target. Realistically, probably. Probably the unfilled hourly would be the target right here. Alright, fuck with it. Break even there. Alright. TP hit for the hourly. We got pretty much Judas swing lower. 9-3 opens lower. Taps this intermediate term low. We get SMT inside of the 15 minute, inside of the 4 hour, right? Yeah, inside the 4 hour, inside the hourly, I believe. Inside the hourly. Pretty nice. We had that nice wake within the inversion. So after, with the inversion, the 15 minute would look pretty nice. Targeting the unfilled hourly. Not super confident into these highs unless we get a 5 minute for value up to open up, then I could take a continuation. But this is a pretty solid trade. Break even here, which was the intermediate term high on the 5 minute, and then it's a 2 minute inversion. So let's see if we can get a 5 minute for value up to open up here. Okay, we do get a 5 minute for value. Yep. Drawn liquidity still being London high. These equal highs up here. Yes, it's super close to that. Oh, we got that sweep. Oh, it's 10 a.m. Do we have 10 a.m. news? Oh, we had consumer sentiment at 10. So you got London high swept. Got this intermediate term high swept. Not within anything. Not within a 4 hour. Still within the 5 minute. But I'm not super confident in this. Got this intermediate term low. Not yet. So we could get a 4 minute. It could get a 2 minute inverse. The downside. Or 1 minute. I don't know about this one. No, I'm not too confident in this one. We got SFT at the low here, we got SFT at the high here. The highest time frame gap for gap that we had that we're actually coming off of, that's actually clear is this 5 minute right here. So I'm not like super confident. If we get a resweep, then maybe. Or maybe you get a 5 minute inverse. We did not open up a 15 minute. We held this 5 minute, so we could actually go higher. Be a 1 minute inversion to the upside. Yeah. So no inverse that I liked here. Yeah, nothing. $10.38. 10.50. 10.59. Alright, nothing this day. Oh, yeah, other than this trade. Pretty good backtesting session. I think I got a couple of good wins. Delete all the drawings though. But I already recapped this one. That's pretty much it. Let's see. Yeah, no, that was a crazy, crazy week. It's a bear month. Oh my God. 10%. Nice. Alright, that's all for the session. Peace.